So in this problem it says, Green Thing plant shops are having a sale. Tulips were on sale for 45 cents each. Cacti were on sale for 79 cents. And rose bushes were on sale for $2.99. Joe has $5. If he can buy one rose bush, can he also buy 2 cactus? Alright, so what you do first here, like what it's showing, you figure out what you need from this information. So he has $5, a rose bush costs $2.99, and the cactus costs 79 cents. So when you're using estimation, you're going to round. So here you've got $2.99 and they're going to round it to the dollar. So it would be $3. And then 79, it's going to round to the tenths. So basically when you're looking at these, if it has dollars, then you'd round it to the dollars. And if it don't, then you're just going to round it to the tenths. Okay, so here the rose bush would have costed $3. And then up here it said that he wanted 2 cactus. So the cactus were 80 cents. So 2 times 80, that's what this right here is saying, would be $1.60. So you'd say $3 plus $1.60 equals $4.60. So does he have enough to buy the cactus and the roses? So he had $5, so yes, he does. Alright, now when you come down to this part, so it's saying she wants to buy 2 pounds of T-bone steak at $3.79 a pound. So you're going to round this $3.79 to the nearest dollar. So we got a 7 behind it, so that's going to go up to $4. And then she's going to buy 2 pounds, so you would say 4 times 2. So how much money would you need? What is 4 times 2? Remember to put your dollar sign on these ones that's asking for a money amount. If you don't, it's going to count wrong. Alright, over here it says Giorgio has $20. Can she buy 3 pounds of sirloin steak for $2.39 per pound? And 4 pounds of round steak for $1.99 per pound? So what you're going to do here, first you got to figure out how much this is going to cost. So you have 3 pounds, so that's going to be 3, so it's going to be 3 times whatever the amount here is. And $2.39, what would that round to in the dollars? Well, 3 is not enough for it to go up, so you would just say 2 times 3, or 3 times 2. Alright, and then you've got 4 pounds of round steak at $1.99 per pound. Now, usually when it has per, that's always going to tell you to multiply. So here, $1.99 would round to $2. So you got 3 times 2, which is 6, and 4 times 2, which is 8. Okay, so then we would add those together, and that's going to give us 14. So she had $20. So would that be enough? Or he had $20. If it costed 14, would he have enough if he had $20? Yes or no? So that was one. Then the same thing here. You've got 3 pounds, and it's $1.99. So the $1.99 would round to 2. So you'd say 3 times 2, which is going to give you 6. And then you got 4. And then you got 4 pounds of chuck steak at $1.69. And that 6 is going to make that dollar round up to 2 again. So 4 times 2, because you had 4 pounds, they were $2 each. 4 times 2 is 8. So again, you're going to come up with 14. Okay, except for this time, you're going to say how much money would they get back from 20. So you would say 20, take away 14. And then that's going to give you your answer. It's how many dollars. Okay, here you've got T-bone steaks cost $3.79 a pound. About how many pounds of T-bone steak can you buy for 30? So $3.79 would round to the whole dollar of 4, because 7 is more than 5. And they've got $30. So this time you're actually going to divide. So 40 or 30 divided by 4 would actually give you 7.5 when you took that and when you finish that. But you're not going to buy a half a steak. So on that one, it would just be 7 or 7 pounds. Alright, and then down here on this part, this one there were 34 videotapes, and they were $8.85. You can't see that real good, but So 885 would round to 9, right? And then you got 34 tapes, so 9 times 34, how much money did they spend in all? Make sure you put your dollar sign. Okay, and over here, this is supposed to be a 1. So here, 1.25 pounds would round to 1. So if there's 100 quarters in about a pound, then how many quarters would be in 20 pounds? So 100 times 20. Alright, and then here it's 765. So what's 765 going to round to? And then you would say, how many birthday presents did he buy? So that times how many you bought is going to give you your total. And then you're going to take your total here, and you would say 20, because you give him 20 and you want to know how much you give him back. So 20 take away that total amount is going to give you how much change. Right, and over here it says he's wanting to buy a pair of socks for $3.99, a belt for $12.39, and a tie for $7.88. So round all these numbers to the nearest dollar, and then it's going to say, add those together, and it says, would it be enough for you, $20 be enough to purchase this? So if that number is less than 20, then you write yes. If it's more than 20, you'd write no. Right, and in this one, Baba the elephant weighs 4,256 pounds. So what would that round to in actual pounds? It would be 14,000, right? And his little sister here weighed 1,977. So about how many thousand pounds would that round to? 2,000, right? And it wants to know how much did she weighed less, or yeah, he weighed that much more than his sister. So you take that away, and that's going to give you her weight. It says she saves $36 each month. How much was she saving 2 years? So 36 is going to round to what, 10? And then if it's 2 years, how many months would there be in 2 years? Times that out. Okay, so here she earns $6.35 every week doing jobs around the house. About how much would she earn in a year? So a year has 52 weeks, so you would just round $6.35 to the nearest dollar and then times that by 52. And again, don't forget to add your dollar sign. Bryson wants to estimate his electric bill for the coming year. His current monthly bill is $64.78. About how much will he pay for electricity for 1 year? So again, round this to the nearest dollar and then times it by 12 since there's 12 months in a year. So good luck, try it again. Hopefully you can score an 80 because that'll give you a B, but you have to at least score a 70 or you will fail it and I will return it.